Hi guys, welcome back to Sageworld, and today I will be teaching you guys how to do your nails. Have you ever guys thought like, why should I go to the nail salon and get like a $36 like nail set just for a certain color? Well, you don't have to do that. You can just go to Five Below, Walmart, or Target and get some nail polish. So the first thing that you have to do when you're painting your nails, you have to wash your hands and file them. I already did those things. So you get your colors, pick what color you want. There's Day Night, Fairy Tale, Old Flame, Passion, Temptation, Last Dance, and Royale. So the colors I'm going to be doing today is Passion and Fairy Tale. So Passion and Fairy Tale. So we're going to be getting out the Fairy Tale and the Passion. So this is what Fairy Tale looks like. So there's a little glossy type look. Put this here. And then you're gonna get your Passion out. Like passion fruit. So you got it out. Now let's put this back. So let's put this in here. And if you guys didn't know, before you paint your nails, even if you washed it or you did it, even then when you wash it, you still have to dip your hands in some water. So you have to dip your nails for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're gonna dry your nails off. You're gonna shake it and you're gonna dry it off with some paper or a towel, anything you can be able to use. So now that we took it all off, the water off, now we're gonna get our nail polish, Passion. We have to shake it up so that all the colors are in there and ready to go. Same with this one. So now we're gonna start with opening up Fairy Tale, because this is how I want to do it. I'm gonna do Fairy Tale, Fairy Tale, Fairy Tale, and then Passion on the ring finger, and then Fairy Tale. So let's do that one first. Let's start off with Fairy Tale. So now you're gonna see this is what it looks like. Now we have to do the thingamajig. And I'm really right-handed, so it might not look that good, but always try your best instead of saying you can't do it, because it's always good to try. So now I have to paint it out. Just paint it regularly, like you would paint like a flower or something. So you have to paint it. Very nice and simple. You have some more paint or nail polish, and then put it on like so. So now we're just about finishing up this finger. If just in case if the nail polish accidentally goes on your skin, just easily take a piece of paper and then wipe it off before it dries. So now we're gonna do our ring finger. Let's do our ring finger now. So we gotta do really slowly. Take your time so it doesn't go on your skin by accident. So you get that done and easy and simple. And then, oh my God. See, accidents happen. You just wipe it right off. And then you just paint it on like that. Like so. Very nice. That's what I've been doing because it gets on your skin a little bit, so you just wipe it with the paper. See? So I got the 2 fingers done. 2 of them are done. So now I got to do our middle finger. Middle finger. And usually you have to do 2 coats of the nail polish just so that it can really stay and look cute and nice. I usually do 2 coats. Some people they don't do 1. It depends how they want the style to be done. Oh, I almost got on my shirt. So now we have to do it like this. And yeah. Okay. It's looking nice a little bit, but it's still on my fingernail, so I'm in my finger. So we got that off. Since this is taking a little bit long, I want my nails to look very nice. So I'm going to time lapse this video So be prepared to be seeing the time-lapse video. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please give this video like, a comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends or family members. I would love for this video to have at least 20 20 subscribers, and at least like 150 likes. Please and thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.